Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Knuckles the Echidna, but really buff. He's gonna have like a buff body, really muscular body. It's gonna be like a torso shot. Really simple, okay? So if you're brand new, you should be able to do this. Pretty much it. Let's get started right. Well, before that, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like anything like that. Okay, if you like any type of drawing, hit that subscribe. We're almost at 200,000 subscribers, and that's it. So let's jump in. All right, let's get started here. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm going to go over here and kind of in the Knuckles eye area, and I'm gonna pull line just like the scrunching of the brow, which is kind of something they all have, but Knuckles has it in spades. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull up on one side, kind of the top of that eye. All right, over here, and I'm gonna pull down on this side. Gonna go over here, pull out the other way, and then pull down here. Gonna curve in the center here. Curve. Curve over here. Curve over here. Curve around the corner. Pull down. Pull along the bottom of the mouth. Whew. So for the most part, like, the head's gonna be the same, Curve around the side of the mouth over here, just kind of wrapping that around in there, just kind of that round area. Over here, a lot of curve, okay, for the nose, and then out in. It's got a little bit of a pointed nose, or you can just kind of draw it round as well. That's another thing you can do. Over here on the right side, smile, curve. Over here on the top, line. Over here on this side, line. Just to kind of show again the brow's popping out. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a kind of U shape, and over here a U shape as well. Fill a line here, throw a line here, and then fill out the rest underneath. Forgive me, by the way, I just have like a little cough, nothing wild. Over here on the far end now, I'm gonna pull one of his dreadlocks down over here. So right here, bam, up, right here. It's gonna pull past the top of the head over here, up. Line over here. He's got like a bit of a flat top of the head, I noticed. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw Knuckles, hit that like. The like is really essential to kind of the growth of the channel, so absolutely hit that like. We're running really close to 200,000 followers, so also that too. If you're not following, definitely follow. Down over here, and then pull up. Let's throw another tendril over here, like so, and then over here on this side as well, like so. Now we're gonna do the buff Knuckles thing. I'm gonna draw a kind of curved line here for the top of the pectoralis, and do the same thing on this side for the top of the pectoralis. So the pec area, the chest. And then I'm gonna curve down, and then over here on this side, curve around, up, down, curve around, up. Right on. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw that, the design, the crescent design he has on his chest. And I'm going to do it really lightly, okay? So I'm going to curve right here, but really light. And the reason I'm doing that is it's thin, like a thin line. And the thin line is because I want it to be a detail, right? It won't attract as much attention as like a thick actual line right there. So we're going to go on this far end, and I'm going to do his shoulder. So the shoulder's going to go out over here, down. All right. Line over here. Right here on the rib cage, curve down.
curve over here for the bicep. And I'm going to go over here for the back of the arm, okay? It's going to be another bump on this side. So we're going to draw this line in. It's going to pull in and end. And then up here, I'm going to start the next part. Out over here, down. Then over here, down. And then like the elbow on this side. Curve. We're kind of indicating it, right? As it goes down. Kind of, not really, but I mean, we're literally drawing it. But I'm going to go over here on this side. Out, down for the shoulder. Go over here. Curve in. Out over here. Down. I'm going to go over here from this area, and I'm going to curve right here for the bicep. Curve. Then line over here. Over here for the elbow. And then line over here for the rest of the arm. I'm going to go over here and pull in for the rib cage down just a bit. Alright. We're going to have abs. Line over here. Line, line. And then like curve over here, serratus muscles. Curve, curve, curve. Like that. And then with thinner lines, you can draw a thin line here. Thin line here. On the, top of the deltoid. And maybe like a thin line right below the neck over here. Thin line right below the neck. And there you go, you have buff knuckles. Completely buff knuckles. And if you want, you can throw like a line over here because it's going to have like wraps on. It's like, I think one of the shows he has wraps on like that. Like his Muay Thai wraps. That's the top of buff knuckles. We are going to color him, so we're going to jump into that. Before that though, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. If you do want to support the channel and you do support us here, absolutely share the video. If you think this is like a goofy, weird drawing, share it. Thank you so much. Let's walk into the coloring and do it now. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.